Hi guys, Logan from the shop again. I'm going to show you guys how to change your own headlight, okay? Come on over here. You press on this little tab, pull at the same time. Swing this right out of your way, alright? Down here, this is your low beam area. Twist that off, and then you have your headlight down in the bottom. Quarter turn off, bring it up and out. Some may have this little red tab on it. Pull it down. Hold on a sec, I need 2 hands. And then just press this little tab, off it comes. Don't touch the glass bulb, you'll shorten the life of the bulb. Put it back in. Push this little red tab back up. Right down in the hole again in the same orientation. Quarter turn, it's done. Make sure you put the cap back on, otherwise water gets in there and your headlight looks really crappy after a very short amount of time. Swing this back up. Bend here so you can get these 2 tabs back in. Push this tab down, give it a push, you're good to go.